Another season of grilling has come and gone, and the time has arrived to store your natural gas grill for the cold winter months. You'll want to give your grill a good cleaning before covering it for winter. After all, leftover food and grease are powerful temptations for all kinds of unwanted pests and critters. You'll need a grill brush for the grates, a putty knife, cleaning rags or paper towels, and a set of kitchen gloves, as things will get messy. You'll also need a cleaning solution, which can either be soapy water or a custom solution of vinegar, water, and baking soda. First, run your grill on high with the lid closed to loosen up any leftover food. After 15 minutes, turn off your burners and rotate your gas shutoff valve to the closed position so no fuel is running. Lift your grill lid and allow to fully cool before proceeding. Scrape off any food and grease from the grates with your grill brush. Wipe down, remove, and set aside. Next, remove any items covering the burners, like briquettes or heat plates. Clean them with the customized solution and dry. Moving down to the burners, use a stiff wire brush to remove any grease or debris, looking for any burner holes that are covered or clogged. Then, wipe down the burner valves with your custom cleaning solution. Deep clean your now empty cookbox, scooping out leftover foods and scraping off any caked-on areas with your putty knife. Once complete, cleanse the interior with a dampened cloth. Next, dispose of any waste in the collection bins beneath the grill, being mindful of proper grease disposal. Wipe down the outside of the grill. Now, you're ready to reassemble. Once the grates are back in position, coat them with cooking oil to repel moisture and prevent rust while the grill is not in use. Ensure your gas shutoff valve is still in the off position. Finally, cover the grill to help protect it from the elements. Visit your grill occasionally in the winter months to ensure no unwanted guests have moved in. Plus, barbecue tastes great no matter the season. For more natural gas how-tos and homeowner tips, visit SCANAenergy.com.